how to move to Thailand and pay 0% tax worldwide. Today, I will give you a guide on how you can move to Thailand, set up relatively simple structures and relatively cost-effective structures, and potentially pay 0% tax worldwide. If this is your first time here, my name is Mark Mansour. I am the founder and managing director of Worldwide Advisory. We specialize in helping people exit the Australian tax system, pay less tax worldwide, and protect their global assets. If you've got any questions relating to Australian tax or anything relating to worldwide tax, please comment below or reach out. Thailand is an amazing country. Beautiful scenery, amazing food. I've been there multiple times and I plan on going multiple times more. And what's even more amazing about Thailand is the opportunity to live there relatively simply and pay 0% tax worldwide. The way this is done, the Thai tax system, while it's a worldwide tax system, what it has, one facet of it is what's called the remittance-based tax system. And the way a remittance-based tax system works is you only pay tax on income you've brought into the country within that tax year. For example, if you were living and earning income from abroad, and you earn those profits in an overseas company, paying 0% tax on that company, depending on how you set it up, and you keep that money in that company and in that country, and then bring it over the following tax year, the Thai tax system does not recognize that as income, and therefore it's not taxed in your name. Let me give you an example of a strategy I formulated with a client recently and how he and his family are going to pay 0% tax worldwide. As an Australian tax resident, you need to go and depart Australia permanently for you to exit the Australian tax system. In my client's case, what we're able to do is he was able to do that and go set up in Thailand. What we've done is applied for the 5-year Thai elite visa, which gives you the right to reside in Thailand for 5 years. And then we've gone and set up a US LLC where he can run his business operations from. And as I mentioned previously, relating to remittance-based tax, because we're not going to remit any of the income to Thailand, it means that he and his family are able to earn income in America through an LLC, which is look-through entity, and keep living in Thailand and pay no tax in Thailand, no tax in the US, and no tax in Australia. We came up with quite an amazing situation, an amazing scenario, and I was exceedingly glad that we were able to do such an amazing achievement. This strategy is actually quite useful for a lot of people, and I highly recommend you consider it based on your personal unique circumstances. Because as I say in most of my videos, it is vital that we understand what your unique personal circumstances are so we can apply a solution to achieve your goals. If you want to learn more about how to exit Australia and pay no tax, then I highly recommend you watch this video here. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to comment them below or send us a message because we love helping you guys. Thank you.